Hello, this is Kenji, and welcome to another Joyful Tune-Ins. Today, we're going to do silence, the power of silence and stillness. So put yourself in a meditative position, sitting in a chair, sitting cross-legged, laying down. And let's just take a moment to come into the now moment with the power of the breath, focus, relaxing the body, relaxing the mind, disengaging from the chaos of the world. Now you're going to invite all parts of you, all aspects of you, including your high self, your inner child, your interdimensional alternative realities aspects, your past, your present, your future, all coming into this now moment with the power of breathing, letting go of the day, disengaging from tribal consciousness. Now become aware of your body as you bring your focus to the breath, breathing very gently, long and deep and slow breaths in and out, relaxing all the muscles in your body, your TMJ, your shoulder joints, your forehead muscles, your eyelid muscles, your calves, fingers, and toes. And we're going to breathe as if we are reconnecting with the silence, with that stillness, with the still point that is within consciousness. Slowly, long and slow and deep breaths in and out. Moving awareness, reconnecting to that place that we call stillness and silence within. Letting go of the world, letting go of everything for a moment, people, places, and things, and just breathe, moving awareness from the third, fourth dimensional realities deep into the quantum. We're going to focus into the 11th and 12th dimensions of awareness. Nothing to do. Relax and be. Moving deeper into the stillness. The stillness contains great power and energy. So as you reconnect, you're going to become energized. All parts of you. It's like a quantum reset. And you're going to take this stillness now and bring it into your mental body, allowing the mental body to go into complete calm and stillness. And then into your emotional body, balancing and harmonizing all of your emotions. And then into the brain, allowing the brain to experience this stillness, this deep, you could call it delta gamma ray brainwave state. And then into the heart. Then take a deep breath. Now slowly open your eyes and allow yourself to get used to holding this place of stillness with eyes open. So this could be your homework for the next couple of years. Practicing stillness. And create the intention that you're moving the stillness into all levels of your relationships, your business, your spiritual growth, everything. Allow it to move into all aspects of your life. Especially your solar plexus and your sacral chakra center and your base chakra. So allow this flow of energy to continue throughout the rest of the day, and you can revisit this, tune in and go deeper and deeper into your stillness, anticipating miracles and unexpected happenings as you reset your consciousness to your original set point, your 0 point field. So thank you for tuning in. Have a blessed day. And until next time, many blessings.